Oh, very good evening, guys. So the time now is around 11:04 in the night, and right now I'm gonna leave my house and go to my friend's place, and from there we guys all are gonna meet up, and we guys are gonna go to Mangalore. Yes, guys. So I'll meet you guys on the road, and today's another day, and today's another vlog, and let the adventure begin. Let's go, guys. Come on. Orma, say bye. Hmm? Orma, bye, baby. I'm gonna miss you.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. So had to wait for like 20 to 25 minutes for my Uber to get confirmed, and I'm running now to, and finally Uber get confirmed. Finally, yes, confirmed, guys. Someone's partying over there. So yeah, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Madras Road. In 300 meters, continue straight onto Bhaskar Road, Kensington Road.
So finally reached at my friend's place right here, waiting for him to come out. Bro, ತೆಗ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕು, ಕಾಲೇ ತಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೋ ರೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಜಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು. We guys reached Anish's place. We guys quickly freshened up, changed our clothes, and then we left for another adventure, which you're gonna see right now. So let's just get back to the video, guys. Let's go.